My dear students, today we will be discussing a very important topic from class 12 applied mathematics. We're talking about unit 1 numbers, quantification and numerical applications. The subtopic which we are going to discuss today is races and games. Races and games are also related to time, speed and distance. Races and games problems are asked in various competitive exams. To solve the problems of races and games, we should understand few terms, which are as follows. First term is race, which is very familiar to us. Race is a competition in which participants try to cover a fixed distance in the least possible time. Race may involve running, riding, driving, rowing, etc. What is race course? A path on which a race takes place is called a race course. For example, ground, road, swimming pool, etc. What is starting point? A point from where the race starts is called starting point. Finishing point? This is also known as winning point or goal. So a point where race finishes is called the finish point or winning point or goal. What is winner? Very familiar to you. A person who first reaches the finish point is called winner. Dead heat. Now, this is something new. If all the participants reach the finish point at the same instant of time, then this situation is called dead heat. What do you mean by A gives B a start of X meters? This means A starts the race from the starting point, whereas B starts the race X meters ahead of A. That is, to cover a distance of 100 meter, A will cover 100 meter while B will cover 100 minus X meter. When it happens, मान लीजिए there's a student of class 12 standing at point A and trying to race with a student of class 7th. Now what will happen? This class 12 student will have to give some lead to this class 7 student. तो ये स्टूडेंट आपके 7 स्टूडेंट से कहेगा आप 10 मीटर आगे खड़े हो जाइए. मान लीजिए ये आपका बी पॉइंट है जहां पे 7 स्टूडेंट को खड़ा होना है. तो 10 मीटर आगे आप 7 स्टूडेंट को खड़ा करेंगे और 12 स्टूडेंट कहेंगे कि ये टोटल डिस्टेंस है 100 मीटर्स जिसकी हम रेस कर रहे हैं. ये आपका फिनिशिंग पॉइंट है. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? Total distance covered by this class 12 student is going to be 100 meters. On the other hand, this class 7 student will cover 100 minus 10, 90 meters. So this is what we call A gives B a start of X meters. Next is A beats B by X meters. This means when A reaches the finish point, B is behind A by X meters. That is, in a 100-meter race, A has covered 100 meter while B has covered only 100 minus X meters. Talking about games. A game is a structural form of play. Games are sometimes played only for enjoyment, sometimes are achievement or reward. Games can be played alone or in teams. Winning or losing a game is mainly based on points, goals or runs scored by a player or a team. A game of 100 means that the person among the participants who scores 100 points first is the winner. Suppose A and B are two participants in a game. A scores 100 points while B scores only 70 points. What I said? A scores 100 points while B scores only 70 points. Then we say that A beats B by 30 points, or we can also say that A can give B 30 points. I hope this is clear. Let's discuss problems based on the topic. Problem number 1. In a 1,000-meter race, A, B, and C get the gold, silver, and bronze medals, respectively. If A beats B by 100 meters and B beats C by 100 meters, then by how many meters does A beat C? Let's quickly understand what's happening here. There's a 1,000-meter race in which A, B, and C all won, and A got gold medal, B got silver, and C got bronze medal. A beats B by 100 meters. That means A covered, this is your starting point, and here is your finishing point. So when A starts his race, A completes 1000 meters at first. When A is at 1000 meters, B is basically at 900 meters. And then because B has also received silver medal, that means when B reaches to the destination, B is at 1000 meters and C will be at 900 meters. कंफ्यूजन बच्चों को ये होता है कि मैम टोटल जो डिस्टेंस का जो आप ए और सी ने आपस में डिफीट किया वो 200 मीटर्स डिफीट किया, पर ऐसा नहीं है, ये गलत फहमी है. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पर अब हम इस चीज पे काम करेंगे, ठीक है. सो टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड is equal to 1000 meters, right? So let's calculate it with a simple speed and distance formula. When A completes 1000 meters in मान लीजिए T1 second T1 minutes या T1 time लेते हैं, let's not talk about minutes or seconds, say T1 time, say then B completes 900 meters in same time T1. So therefore, what will be the speed of A? Its distance upon time, which is 1000 upon T1. Also, what is the distance speed of B? This is also distance upon time, which is equal to 900 upon T1. Now let's find out the ratio of the speed of A and B. So ratio of the speed of A and B is equal to SA upon SB, which is 1000 over T1 and 900 over T1. You cancel T1, you will get 1000 over 900. Keep it as 1. Similarly, when when B completes 1000 meters in say T2 time, C completes 900 meters in same time, which is T2 say. So therefore, speed of B will be equal to distance upon time, which is equal to 1000 over T2. Speed of C is equal to distance upon time, which is 900 over T2. So therefore, ratio of the speed of B and C is equal to 1000 over T2 upon 900 over T2. Again, T2s get cancelled. We get, this is basically SB over SC. So SB over SC is equal to 1000 over 900. Okay, now moving further, we get SA over SB equals to 1000 over 900. After cancellation, it becomes 10 over 9. And SB over SC is also equal to 1000 over 900, which is equal to 10 over 9. Now simply multiply these two ratios. While we are multiplying, we need to find speed of A is to speed of C. So let's multiply them. SA over SB into SB over SC. What will you get? 10 over 9 into 10 over 9. which is equal to 100 over 81. What does that mean? Can somebody tell me? Yes. When A completes 100 meters, your C completes 81 meters, which implies when A completes या covers, or you can say covers 1000 meters, C covers 810 meters. Now we need to find out what we need to find out. We need to find how many meters does A beat C. So distance between A and C is equal to 1000 minus 810 meters, which is equal to 190 meters, right? So therefore, A beats C by 190 meters. And this is the required solution. I hope the problem is clear to everybody. Let's quickly move to the next problem. In a 1000-meter race, if A defeats B by 300 meters and B defeats C by 200 meters, in the same race, how many meters will A defeat C? So how will we solve the problem? Total distance covered. I hope I don't need to discuss more in this question because this is similar to the previous one. So I'm quickly solving it for you. Total distance covered is equal to 1000 meters. So therefore, distance covered by A at time T1 is equal to 1000 meters, and distance covered by B at time T1 is equal to, this is A defeats B by 300 meters, means 1000 minus 300 is equal to 700 meters. So speed of A is equal to 1000 over T1, which is also speed of B is equal to 700 over T2. This is happening because speed is equal to distance upon time, right? So therefore, the ratio of speed of A and B is equal to SA over SB, which is equal to basically 1000 over 700. After simplifying, we'll get 10 over 7. Similarly, distance covered by B is equal to 1000 meters at time T1, say, and distance covered by C is equal to 1000 minus 200, which is equal to 800 meters in, this is time T2, in time T2, say. So S of B is equal to 1000 over T2 and S of C is equal to 800 over T2, which means ratio of speed of B and C is equal to 1000 over 800, which gives you 10 over 8. Now we simply multiplying to get the value of S, speed of A, ratio of S, speed of C, we'll get SA over SB into SB over SC, which will give us 10 over 7 into 10 over 8, which is equal to 100 over 56. So therefore, what you can say is, therefore, when A reaches 100 meters, C covered 56 meters, which implies when A covers 1000 meters, C covers 560 meters. So in how many meters will A defeat C? Now this you will have to do. You will have to mention it separately because I do not have more space. You just do 1000 minus 560, you will get 440 meters, which is the required solution. I hope the problem is clear. Moving on to the next question. Priya can run 1 kilometer in 3 minutes and 10 seconds. And Preeti can cover the same distance in 3 minutes and 20 seconds. By what distance can Priya beat Preeti? So let's quickly solve the problem. Total time, total distance covered, 1 kilometer. So total distance covered is equal to 1 kilometer, which can also be written as 1000 meters. So time taken by Priya is equal to 3 minutes 10 seconds, which can be written as 3 into 60 plus 10, which is 6 3s are 18, 190 seconds. And time taken by Preeti is equal to 3 minutes 20 seconds, which can be written as 3 into 60 plus 20, which is equal to 200 seconds. As time taken by Preeti is more, therefore speed of Preeti will be less. Preeti is less. So Priya beats Preeti by 200 minus 190 equals to 10 seconds. Now we have to find out the distance covered by Preeti in 1 second. Okay, so distance covered by Preeti in 1 second is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time, which is equal to, what is the speed? Speed is basically 1000 upon how much? 200. ये रहा, राइट, इनटू टाइम, 1 सेकेंड की बात हो रही है. तो यहां पर आपने क्या किया, सबसे पहले आपने लेट्स डू इट अदर वे, क्योंकि मैं डायरेक्टली यहां पर आ गई. लेट्स फाइंड स्पीड फर्स्ट, क्योंकि अगर हम ये स्टेप कर रहे हैं तो हम कुछ स्टेप्स को एक्चुअली मिस कर रहे हैं. लेट्स फाइंड स्पीड ऑफ Preeti. Now speed of Preeti is basically 1000 over 200. After calculations, you will get 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 meter per second. Now, distance covered by Preeti in, ये तो 1 second की बात थी, हमें चाहिए 10 seconds. So this is going to be speed into time. So now we are more accurate. We'll get 10 into 5. या आप लिख सकते हैं 5, which is the speed, 5 meter per second into 10. 10 is the time, ये वाला, ठीक है? So this is going to be 50 meters. So that means, therefore, Priya beats Preeti by 50 meters. So this is the solution. Now there's one question which I am giving you as homework, and the problem is two runners A and B complete a 100-meter race in 36 seconds and 48 seconds respectively. By how many meters will A defeat B? This is a similar question. This is your homework question. I'll be waiting for your answer in the messages. Kindly send me the answer of the question through your text messages, which you can send me in the YouTube channel. I'll be waiting for your replies. And for more questions related to the topic, do watch my upcoming videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.